Welcome back to Smart Drive Hub, the channel where we bring you the hottest car releases, the smartest tech, and the most exciting auto content from around the world. If you love cars that combine style, power, and innovation, you're definitely in the right place. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our new videos. Today we have something seriously impressive lined up for you. And trust me, you're going to love this one. The 2026 Honda Civic has just raised the bar for compact sedans, and there's one feature in particular that will absolutely blow your mind. But before we get to that, let's take a closer look at what makes this new Civic such a massive step forward. Honda didn't just refresh the Civic, they basically reinvented it with smarter tech, a premium feel, and a driving experience that feels straight out of the future. The moment you look at the 2026 Civic, it gives off a fresh, modern, and refined vibe. The new LED lighting signature, the sleeker front grille, and the clean full-width light bar in the rear make it instantly stand out. The body lines look sharper and more athletic than before, giving the Civic a more upscale road presence. It's the kind of design that makes you say, "This can't be a budget-friendly car, right?" But yes, it is, and that's what's crazy. Step inside, and the story gets even better. Honda upgraded the entire cabin with better materials, smoother textures, soft-touch surfaces, and a layout that feels extremely premium for this segment. The dashboard looks clean and modern, with a wide horizontal design, and the seats are redesigned for better comfort on long trips. It genuinely feels like you're sitting in a car from a higher class, not a regular compact sedan. Now, let's talk technology, because this is where the 2026 Civic goes from good to amazing. Higher trims come with a massive digital instrument cluster that gives you crisp graphics and a fully customizable interface. The center touchscreen is bigger, brighter, and smoother than ever, and of course you get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You even get wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, a premium Bose audio system, and available built-in Wi-Fi. Features that used to be luxuries are now standard or easily accessible. Safety is another area where Honda has gone all in. The 2026 Civic comes loaded with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, traffic jam assist, and improved emergency braking systems. Honda also strengthened the chassis with more high-strength steel, giving you better crash protection for all passengers. It's peace of mind wrapped in a stylish sedan. But now, let's get to the feature that will blow your mind, the all-new hybrid power system. This isn't just fuel efficient, it's genuinely powerful. The 2026 Civic Hybrid delivers around 200 horsepower combined, making it one of the strongest hybrids in its class. The car takes off smoothly with instant electric torque, giving you punchy acceleration without needing to rev the engine hard. And the best part? You're getting outstanding fuel economy at the same time. You don't need to plug it in, you don't need to charge it, it charges itself as you drive. It's basically giving you electric car smoothness with the reliability of a petrol engine. Imagine a Civic that starts silently, accelerates confidently, saves fuel like a champ, and still feels fun on the road. That's exactly what Honda created here. If you've ever thought hybrids were boring, the 2026 Civic will change that perception instantly. What's even more impressive is how well Honda balanced everything. You get a sporty driving feel, a quiet cabin, premium comfort, futuristic tech, and hybrid efficiency, all at a price that still makes the Civic one of the smartest buys in the market. Whether you're a daily commuter, a long-distance driver, or someone who wants maximum value for their money, the 2026 Civic is honestly a game-changer. So that's the new Civic, stylish, smart, efficient, powerful, and packed with features that punch way above its class. Let me know in the comments. Would you go for the hybrid version or stick with a traditional petrol engine? And if you enjoyed this breakdown, Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting reviews coming your way right here on Smart Drive Hub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.